Hey there everyone, Justin Mallard, Community Engagement Manager with Murray Honda, here with a couple of my friends. We've got Shelley, General Managers of Staples, and Chris Emery, General Manager of Murray Honda. Today we're stuffing over 1,000 backpacks supporting local children in need from Chilliwack all the way to Boston Bar. Without the support of our community members, this would not be possible.
I just want to thank the entire community of Chilliwack and the outlying areas and the volunteers that have come in here tonight to pack the bags. Most importantly, though, I would like to thank Murray Honda. Without the partnership we've had with them for the last 6 years, we couldn't do this program, and we appreciate their support and the partnership we've had. So thank you.
And it's a big thank you from the team at Murray Honda too. Thank you to all of our partners, to all of the volunteers that came down today, all of the hard work that Justin puts into this program. This is my first year seeing it in action, and it's just it's a wonderful thing to see when a bunch of people come together and work as hard as they do on this. And most importantly, thanks to Shelley and to the team at Staples who put this all together and who this wouldn't be possible without. So thanks very much, and we appreciate it.
Support does come in many different ways. We wouldn't be able to do these programs without the financial support of our community partners, but also the volunteers that come in and support through these events. If you're ever interested in coming on board to support these programs in any which way, please feel free to email me. My email is justin.mallard@murrayhonda.ca. Thanks so much.